Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can log in the Bank of the West account. So the very first thing that you have to do is search for bnkwest.com, and once you're here, you will be landed on this page right here. So if you have a personal account, you can go ahead and select personal from here, and if you also have a business, then go ahead and click on the business right here. So once you're done, if you only have the personal, you can go ahead and enter your username at the top and also your password rather. And then once the details are correct, you can then go ahead and select the login right here. So once you click on that, you will be redirected right away to your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!